Ka Jingdheng kali hanong ba Shillong hakini gisngi kaladai ka wei na kamat ka bala pensertok ya baro kinong late nongwan kum shibenta banweng yakani ka jing'e na kaliang ka tenat transport kan sa pensngo show menteri rang ba ka jela ban pinjari biang Daka odd event rules. Hakabayadei ba kani na kaliang menteri ka tenat transport ba dasakhiat bha Lamare uloong ba na kaliang ka tenat shen kan salitra ekani kamat show menteri rang ba ka jelau Konrad Konggal sangma ban yakran ban pinjari biang Daka odd event rules hanong ba Shillong ban weng shipor ekani ka jing'e. Kabau loong ru bahanong ba Shillong hi omdan jakashu ban snai ki overbridge badai na kane kadau ban nakaliang ka sorkar kamla ban weng yakini ki jing'e hakabai dei ba Jingdheng kali.
So the traffic snarls in the city have become a nightmare.
Right.
And the state has reverted back. I mean, the department has reverted back to the same rule. The odd even rule was quite a success. Will you revert back to the odd even rule?
Yeah, we were thinking about it. Yes, we were thinking about it, and we'll be holding meetings again. I think after our session, maybe next week by Monday or Tuesday, with the Honorable Chief Minister to review it. And if at all it's feasible, then we have no choice but to implement it again, just to control the traffic. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a long-term solution.
It is long-term solution. We haven't finalized anything, but we are still working on various strategies that we could implement. But as of now, there's nothing as such which is finalized in the long term. See, the problem in Shillong city right now is the space. We don't have space. There were concerns and suggestions given, like the flyovers, and then, like you said, skywalk, and then, to do all this, we need a lot of space. So Shillong is too congested now for all this. So another solution that we are thinking about is, to expand the city. And expanding the city, I mean, we have already implemented many things. Like, for example, there are many offices now which we are trying to move to New Shillong. But then we do have constraints. Yes, there are constraints, and then there are various problems that we are facing to do that, to go ahead with it. And then we are looking forward, and we are expecting, if not this year, if not next year, maybe in this coming years, we'll be able to do something about expanding the city.